Hi, this is Lynette and Kaz, her assistant, and we're here to show you our latest project. This is a coffee can that we cut a little hole in so we could get this cable through. Here we have an Arduino with pins 1 through 4 hooked up to a unipolar motor. Here is the unipolar motor, and here we have the pins 1 through 4. These two are negative. So the negative pins all go to a separate little breadboard, which is hooked into the negative pin on the Arduino. This is how the motor shield is hooked up. Here you have the little 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the positive that goes out to the Arduino, which is on the 5 volts, and the negative, which is going out here to this breadboard. Now we put all of this inside the coffee can, just like that. Nothing special, just throw it in there. We made this casing, and you put the whole part of it towards the handle. So you just put all the wires and stuff like that so they go through this little cave hole, and then you push it down on the bottom so that it looks like this. Then we take our unipolar motor, which has these little magnets on there. They're not glued or anything, they're just sticking on there. And you can make this any way you want. The main important thing is that these little magnets don't push this mirror around whenever you turn the thing on. So I'm going to stick this down in here. And it looks like this once it's in there. Then set the mirror on top and make sure that the mirror isn't moving around when we turn it on. These little guys have magnets glued on the bottom of their feet. When they interact with the magnet on the motor, it moves them around. Now you can make your own ice skating rink. Happy holidays, everybody, and thank you for watching.